Oh my gosh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lorlla. If this is your first time in seeing any of my videos, you're welcome and I hope you stay. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Huda Beauty Foundation. Woo! I've always wanted this foundation. I won't lie to you guys. Like after Fenty, I was like, oh my god, I'm going for my Huda Beauty Foundation because you know I've been seeing this foundation everywhere. Almost all YouTubers have it. Almost all beauty bloggers have it. And I was like, what's the hype all about? So I just decided to leave my hands on it when I traveled, and this is gonna be my first impression. Oh my god, I can't even wait. Okay, so if you're interested in watching this video, please keep watching. But one more thing before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. Just take one moment of your time to hit that subscribe button down below. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. My face is already moisturized, so let's just get right into the video. So this is how the foundation comes. It comes in a pack like this. I got the shade Cinnamon 440G. Yeah, it looks like this. It has a black cap. You know, it's not glass, it's like plastic, so I feel like if it drops, it's not gonna break. So that is a plus on it. So it has this pump to control the flow of liquid or foundation that comes out, which is really good. So I'm just gonna pick a little on at the back of my palm. So before I got this foundation, I read about it. I watched so many videos on it on YouTube, and I saw and I read that it's a very matte foundation. Ooh, and it's flawless, guys. Look at it. What I can see now is that it is flawless, effortlessly. I'm blending it effortlessly. For a matte foundation, it doesn't drag. Wow, that's nice. Okay, so you have to blend this foundation as fast as possible because it's really matte and it dries quickly.
Your body feel right, so good, feeling alright. Go low.
The coverage is out of this world. It covers everything. I can't even see something. I can't even see anything coming through my skin. Oh my gosh, how did you do this, Huda? Oh my gosh, I love it. You know what, I wouldn't use this kind of foundation for my natural day look because it's just too, you know, Instagram ready. It's just too photo shoot ready. It's not, you know, it doesn't give me that natural finish. So if I'm going for a wedding, you know, one bed things, if I'm going for any event, I'm picking this up. But if I'm going for my normal day-to-day activity, if I'm going out, I will just go for another foundation because this is too, it is too, I don't even know what to say. It is too bomb. Yeah, let me put it that way. It is too bomb. And I was really scared that it's not going to be my shade because when the lady tried it for me at the mall, it was looking, you know, because of their lights, you won't really get to know the shade. So I was just like, oh, are you sure this is my shade? Are you sure this is my shade? But I'm looking at it, it oxidizes really well. Like, it's just, look at my neck. Okay, this is me. This is me. It oxidizes really well and it matches my skin. I'm not lying, you guys can see from the camera, except the camera is telling you guys something different. Then I have to change that camera. But for what I can see from the mirror, this is looking like my skin. But come on, I'm too mad though. Is this what we're doing? Oh, this is how I'm going to 2019. Like, going there flawless or more. I have to be flawless, no spot, nothing. Huda got you. So if you have an oily skin, if you are dealing with oily skin, I think Huda is your babe. Huda Beauty Foundation is your babe. Just stick to it because this is good. You know, it's full coverage, it's creamy, it's hiding all those breakouts I had on my forehead. You know, I'm looking like a model, and I'm looking like, oh, this girl is flawless. I'm looking like, oh wow, ooh, yeah. Okay, enough with that. Let's just go straight with the concealer. I love the setting spray. Anyway, this is not about the setting spray, this is about this foundation. So guys, I'm gonna put my highlighter and pop some lashes off camera. I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. You know, my face is set, my highlighter is popping, my lips is on point, you know, everything is looking good. Okay, so let's talk about the foundation. It is really creamy, it is pigmented, I love the formula, you know, it is matte. It is so many things you would want in a foundation. My prayer now is that it should not break me out, because after using it, I started seeing some pores coming through my skin, like coming through the foundation, and I don't want that. I love that it's very pigmented, and I love the fact that she came out with 30 shades. I didn't have to like blend 2 foundations together to get my shade. My shade is cinnamon. I got one. It is my perfect shade, and it oxidizes, so it gets darker. But the other thing I'm looking at now is, because I have a combination skin, I hope this would not affect my skin. I hope it would not affect my face, because too matte, I don't normally go for matte foundation. I'm always a creamy girl, like everything about me is creamy. Okay, so I always love creamy foundations. I never go for matte. So my prayer now is that this should just work for me, for someone that has a combination skin. But the only thing about this foundation now is that it's expensive. It's not your everyday go-to foundation, because I wouldn't pick this every day, because it is on the high side. The price is, I think it's $48 or something, I'm not really sure. So I would just normally go for my normal foundation, my Maybelline, you know, even my Fenty. I'm gonna just keep it somewhere, because these are my babies. It has this Instagram ready photo shoot, you know, edited Facetune kind of effect. If I smile, you can hardly see the smile lines. Like, oh my god, this is just so bomb. I love it so much. For it to give me this Facetune effect, it has eye coverage, and I didn't even have to do so much when I was blending it. So it's really blendable, it is really buildable. You can build it up whichever one you want, but I feel like one layer is enough. For me, one layer is enough. I even went overboard. I even went overboard by going 2 times. Next time, I'm gonna go for 1 layer. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You know how we do it. Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.
Feel right, so good, feeling alright, go low, make your body feel right.